Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 7. In this video, we will present the result of our discussion for problem number 5.G. And before that, let me introduce the members of our group. The first one is Zahra Husnul Cahyani with ID number 007. And the second one is Gemintang Cinta Winarko with ID number 070. And last is Yasmin Fatimah with ID number 137. The question is, draw a direction field for the given differential equation. Based on the direction field, determine the behavior of y as t approaches infinity. If this behavior depends on the initial value of y at t equal to 0, describe this dependency. Note that the right side of this equation depends on t as well as y. Therefore, the resolution can exhibit more complicated behavior than those in the text. The equation we have from the problem is y prime plus 2ty is equal to 2t e power minus t. So for the answer, first from the problem, we get that the differential equation is y prime equal to 2 times t times e power minus t minus 2ty. For the general solution, we find the general equation to draw the graph by integrating both sides. First, we have dy over dt is equal to 2t e power minus t minus 2ty. So we multiple both sides by dt. So we have dy is equal to 2t e power minus t minus 2ty dt. And we integrate both sides. So we have integral of dy is equal to 2 integral t e power minus t dt minus 2y times integral t dt. So we have y is equal to 2 times integral of t times e power minus t dt minus 2y times integral of t dt. First, we will solve integral of t e power minus t dt first. So we integrate by parts. That is, we have formula integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral v times du. Let u is equal to t, and so we have dv is equal to e power minus t. Then du is equal to 1 and v is equal to minus e power minus t. So by inputting to the formula, we have that integral t e power minus t dt is equal to minus t e power minus t minus integral of minus e power minus t dt. Now we solve integral of minus e power minus t dt, and then we substitute u with minus t. So from that we have du over dt is equal to minus 1, and dt will be equal to minus du. And integral, so we have integral minus e power minus t dt is equal to integral of e power u du. So we apply exponential rule. Integral of a power u du is equal to a power u over ln a with a equal to e. So integral e power u du will be equal to e power u. So we undo substitution u equal to minus t. So we have integral of minus e power minus t dt will be equal to e power minus t. Thus, the integral of t e power minus t dt will be equal to minus t e power minus t minus e power minus t plus c1.
Okay, for the next P, now solving integral t dt, apply power rule. Integral t power n dt is equal to t power n plus 1 over n plus 1 with n is equal to 1. So we get integral t dt is equal to t power 2 over 2 plus c2. Plug in solve integrals, we get 2 integrals t e power minus negative t dt minus 2y integral t dt is equal to 2 multiplied by minus negative t e power negative t minus e power negative t minus 2y multiplied by t power 2 over 2 plus c. Next. So, integral 2 te power negative t minus 2 ty dt is equal to negative 2 te power negative t minus 2e power negative t minus y t power 2 plus c. So, we get y multiplied by 1 plus 2 power 2 t power 2 is equal to minus negative 2 te power negative t minus 2e power negative t plus c. Next. Thus, the general solution is y is equal to negative 2 te power negative t minus 2e power negative t plus c over 1 plus t power 2. And the direction field is on the graph. This is the graphic image of the direction field obtained from the y prime or derivative of y. And you can see the direction there. The next will be presented by my friend Zahra.
Okay, this is the display of the web for finding direction field. In here, we can choose any point. For example, we choose t is equal to 0, and then y is equal to 1, and c is equal to 0. So we substitute the point into the y prime equals to 2t e the power of negative t minus 2ty, and then from that point we get here the blue point. This is the point of 0, 1, 0, and then the result of this point is 0, so the direction field will be look like this. And then for the next slide, next, here is another example of another point. Here we have t is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, and c is equal to 0. Same step like before, we substitute this point into y prime y prime, and then here at 2, 0, 0. And then next slide. Okay, if we choose the negative 2 for t, and then negative 2 for y, and 0 for c, and then substitute to the y prime equals to 2t e the power of negative t minus 2ty, and then we got this graph as the result. Here we have the solution, or the result is 0.6, and then here the graph. And then for the last example, if we take the point t is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and c is equal to 0, and then we substitute to the equation, and then we got this graph as the result at the blue point. So that's all for the example of choosing a point for the direction field. Next slide. That's all for the presentation of our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.